All right. Good evening, Alpha Nation. So, ayan. We are now live on YouTube. So, hello sa ating mga Team YouTube and Team Zoom dyan. So, for our Zoom participants, kindly comment anything para malaman namin na you're right here with us. So, ayan. All right. So today's event is made possible with the help of our supportive and generous partners, of course, IXL. This is a CIE Review Center, so you can get an additional 500 off if you are a graduate of any Alpha Premium program. Next is Blessed. So it's not about the product we sell, but the words we share. Blessed PH, yeah, stay blessed. Startup Podcast PH, to us, the first Filipino cloud-based analytics platform, so you can get free 90-day trial offer. Just visit their website at alpha2os.com for more updates. And of course, ayan, good evening again, Alpha Nation, and sa ating Team Zoom and Team YouTube. So welcome again, everyone, to Alpha TV in pursuit of knowledge and continuous improvement with ASLEX PH Academy. So I am Engineer Melanie Madrigal, the Chief Marketing Officer of ASLEX, and we are all happy to have you here tonight. So without further ado, it is my pride and honor to introduce our guest speaker for tonight. So she is a graduate of BS Industrial Engineering at BSU, or Batangas State University, the National Engineering University. So she is a lean engineer and corporate planning junior supervisor. She has 6 years experience in lean manufacturing, continuous improvement, and data analysis, with previous experience in applying IE principles and tools on 2 semiconductor companies, currently working in a food company, applying data analytic tools in solving and improving current processes. She is a certified industrial engineer, a certified Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belter. So everyone, please help me welcome our guest for tonight, none other than Engineer Debbie Vigega. And for the topic Alpha TV, let me flash it on the screen. Introduction to Tableau, a powerful data visualization tool. Ayan. Ma'am Debbie, the floor is yours po. Good evening.
Hello po, good evening everyone.
Good evening, Debbie.
All right, so let me just share my screen. Kung makita yung PowerPoint ulit. Sige, ito na lang siguro. All right, can you see my presentation?
Yes.
All right. So, so before we start, so as mentioned by Miss Melanie, so I am Debbie Vegiga, a certified industrial engineer and currently working as a corporate planning junior supervisor in a food manufacturing company. So I have an experience of 4 years to 2 semiconductor companies as a lean and continuous improvement engineer. And I was able to acquire a certification of Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt in IXL way back 2017. So for the topic introduction to Tableau, Tableau was introduced to us in my company last 2022, but I was just able to maximize and use it like 3 months ago. So for me, it's easy to learn and use. So now that's why I was able to share some knowledge in Tableau to every one of you tonight. So yeah, so without further ado, let me start with Tableau. So the introduction to Tableau. So this one is one of the most powerful data visualization tool that I think worldwide is using. So first, what is Tableau? So as I've mentioned, this is one of the business intelligence software or tool and a powerful data visualization tool. So I think most of you are already familiar with Microsoft Excel, right? And maybe some are familiar with Power BI. So those are the other data visualization tools. So now I will share about Tableau. So for Tableau, it can help us create interactive reports also and dashboards, as you can see in my sample. Wait, I will just try to share just the PowerPoint presentation, Miss Melanie. Is it okay po? Because I think I'm sharing the whole screen.
Miss
Yes po. Eto, yan. Okay na. Or hindi. Sige, okay lang. Ito na lang. Can you see the presentation? Okay na po, Miss Melanie.
Yes po, it's visible, but we're seeing the whole PowerPoint screen.
Okay, okay.
You can just check the share screen button and then advance and click the portion of screen.
Okay. Ito, okay na.
Yes po, perfect.
All right, sige. So to continue, so Tableau can help us also to connect with various data sources. So we can connect with SQL, Microsoft Excel, the file itself, and also to the cloud databases that you have, for example, in your company. And it will help us also to perform data analysis. So that below two dashboards are the example of the dashboards that we can create using Tableau. Okay, so next, what are the key features of Tableau? So first, it has a user-friendly interface. So later I will show you how easy to navigate Tableau, and I'll show you its drag and drop function. Second one, as I've mentioned, is the data connectivity. So for this one, you can easily connect the data. For example, for those of you who are working in a manufacturing company wherein you are monitoring various machines. For example, it is already connected to a database. So you can also connect that database to Tableau, and even the simple Microsoft Excel file, and even SQL files. So the third key feature of Tableau is it can provide a powerful visualizations, and it has real-time data analysis. So it can actually help you to like dig deeper on your data to analyze effectively. And then it we can create also interactive dashboards, or the visually appealing dashboards, by using Tableau. And it can also we can also have collaboration and sharing by using this Tableau. Actually, in our company, we can work on the same dashboard project. So for example, I initially created a dashboard for for example, for HR. So for the HR analytics. So, and then my co-workmates, if they have also the Tableau license, we can work on the same dashboard project. So we can help each other how to improve the dashboard that we are creating. Okay, so actually Tableau has different what do you call this, product. They have different product, but I will focus more on discussing about Tableau desktop. So what is Tableau desktop? So this is the primary or the main authoring tool for creating visualizations and dashboards. And then I'll teach you also how to get started using Tableau desktop. All right. So first, um, on the previous shared post related to this topic, so I requested the Alpha TV team to share the link to install the Tableau desktop, which is offering free 14-day trial version. So I hope some of you are able to install Tableau desktop, right? Sorry, I just cannot see the comments if you are commenting, but I will try to join using my phone. Can someone comment po? For those who are able to download and install Tableau Desktop, it's a free 14-day trial version. All right. So next to that is after opening the Tableau Desktop, you will just connect with your data sources. And then the third one will just drag and drop the data fields to create visualization. So for example, in Excel, although we in Microsoft Excel, it already provides the tables and charts that we can use. I think it's easier also in Tableau to use because you will just drag and drop the data that you have, and then it will automatically create visuals like charts and graphs that you preferred to use for your analysis. Fourth one, you can customize and format the visualizations. You can actually like play with your with your dashboard projects. And fifth, you can build interactive dashboards. So when we say interactive, so it means that your preferred users can actually navigate it, and they can drill down the data wherein, for example, they just want to know what are the top 5 contributors for our product rejects, for example, in a QC department. For sales, what are the top 10 top selling stores? So like that, they will be able to filter um, the data or the visualizations that they wanted to see. And so last part is you can just save and share your work. We also have Tableau server, Tableau online. We also have Tableau public, wherein you can share your work to the Tableau community. So in Tableau community, you can ask questions. If you are starting using the Tableau, you can ask questions, and someone else there worldwide can share also their works to you, so that you can um, learn also from each other on how to maximize the usage of Tableau. Okay, the next one is I will be discussing the Tableau desktop user interface. I will just share my Tableau desktop. I'll just show you here pala. So this is the Tableau desktop user interface. So later I will discuss some of the functions. Hmm. I'll just share again. All right. If you have questions while I'm still ongoing on my presentation, it's ano pa, it's okay. I'm just not sure if I was able to read it right away. Can you see my screen, the Tableau desktop? Okay, thank you. Sorry. Okay, so upon opening the Tableau desktop, you can see on the leftmost part the list of the data sources where you can connect with. So as I've mentioned earlier, you can connect to a Microsoft Excel file. So for example, the raw data that you are using is in Excel file form. You can connect with that and some many more types of files. And then we can also connect to a server here, Microsoft SQL, MySQL, to Oracle. And then for the beginners, for Tableau, Tableau have provided a sample data source. So now we will try to use this one. So we have the sample superstore. So let's just click it. So while we are waiting for the data, complete data to load, if you have questions in mind, you can chat or open your mic. I think it's fine. All right. So it opened already. For the Tableau desktop, um, you can see here the data sets that you have uploaded. But this one is just a sample which Tableau provided. So from here, you can see the data source. So we are using Microsoft Excel file, which is sample. And then let's see, because there is see data that is providing from here. So let's
Hello everyone. Is it just me or Miss Devi's line is a bit choppy? Please confirm po in the chat box. Thank you.
I see.
Kindly stand by everyone. We're just going to fix this little technical difficulties. Hello, Ma'am Debbie. Can you try to speak po ulit? Debbie, sorry we can't hear you po. I think um sa connection po siguro. All right, Ma'am Devi is going to rejoin in a while. So, ayan. Hintayin lang po natin si Ma'am Devi.
Hello, Miss Melanie. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I am using another laptop.
Okay, hear na po.
Alright, sige. Wait, I will just open my presentation from here. Okay, so sorry po for the technical difficulties. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes po.
Okay, so I will just open my Tableau and proceed with the Tableau user interface familiarity. Okay. All right. Can you see the Tableau desktop po? Hindi ba ako clear dun sa previous slides ko po? While discussing yung getting started with Tableau desktop. Or natapos ko naman siya before mawala yung connection? Ito. Hello?
Ma'am, clear naman po kayo doon.
Okay po. Thank you po. Okay, so now I will share na ulit yung sa Tableau desktop. Okay, so for this one, on this leftmost part, we can see the data sets that we have on the data file that we uploaded here in Tableau. But now we're using a sample data sets which is already provided by the Tableau. And so this is the data that we have. And then here you can see on the right part the types of charts, graphs, and maps that we can create using the data that we have. So I will just give a sample. For example, we'll be monitoring the sales for a specific date. So this is the one that I've mentioned regarding the drag and drop function or interface. So we will just drag something here on the rows. So you can already see the data that we have. So for the samples that were provided, is dated from year 2020 to year 2023. So if we wanted to see what is the sales for each year, so from here we can see sales. This is if your data has the sales quantity or the profit, so it depends on your data. But the sample is about regarding the like retail supermarkets. So yun yung naka-provide dito. But for other data, it can also work out by using this one. Then we will just drag, if we wanted to know the sales per year, we will just drag sales to here. So from this, we can already see like 2023 has the highest sales contributor. And then itong mga suggested charts, meron siya mga recommended charts. You will just choose. So for example, this one. Let's try. We can rotate also by swapping the rows and columns. So from this, we can already generate the chart. Sorry, I cannot see that. Okay, I'll just give another sample. Okay, so for example, we have a category of products. For example, product A, B, C, and D. And we wanted to monitor the sales in terms of quantity and profit for that one. So for example, we have provided all the raw data. So from category, we can just drag here to, and then to get the sales, or for example, to get the quantity that we are able to sell per category, we can also just drag it to here. And just to easily visualize which category contributes the top sales, we can also use this one. So there. And you can also sort the per category. For example, from highest to the lowest sale. From here. Sorry. This is from lowest to highest. Yeah, okay. There. So from highest to lowest sales. So for the samples provided, our highest sales came from office supplies. The next one came from the furnitures. And last is coming from technology. Then for example, you wanted to show the sales in terms of its value. We can add the total sales. For example, in labels. So here, the total value for the office, 731,000. So in terms of value, as you can see, in terms of quantity, the highest is coming from the office supplies. But in terms of value, it came from the technology. From this one, since we are seeing value in terms of, for example, in terms of peso or dollar, we can actually format the text here. So just right click and then click format. And then you can see here the fields. So you will choose from quantity or sales. So let us choose sales. And then from the default of the label of sales, we can choose this one for numbers here. And then you can customize so stand, for example, in Philippine peso. So here you can see. And then let's try another chart using this data. All right. Let's try again one more sample chart. For now, let us consider category and then its subcategory. So let's just drag the category data to rows. And then next one is to rows. And then let's see in terms of profit naman. And then we'll choose the appropriate chart for this one. Let us try this here. So for this example, you can see on the y-axis the profit range, and then on the x-axis are the subcategory. So in just about around 10 seconds, for example, someone asked you, so what subcategory contributes the higher profit? So we can easily see here. So from technology, contributed by copiers, right? And then we are able to see also where we are already negative in terms of profit, which is coming from tables and bookcases. So those are the samples. Another sample, sorry, if you have questions related to this one, you can just chat or open your mic po. Baka din mabilis kasi ako or meron kayong part po na na-miss. Pero kung okay, please chat din po if clear. Thank you. Okay, clear po. Thank you, Sir Ron and Sir Romel. Okay, so next one, we'll try again another chart. For example, we wanted to, let's try this one. To see in terms of manufacturer.
Ma'am, excuse me po, naka-off mic po kayo.
Sorry po. Okay, can you hear me na po?
Opo.
Okay po. Okay, so nilagay ko lang yung manufacturer dito sa rows. And then for each manufacturer, I also drag the product name. And then I put the order date on the columns. And then for the order date, if your raw data, if you provided like the month, date, and year, clicking the plus sign. So it will show the per quarter quantity, per month, and per day. Well, it's actually very wide, but let's just use year. Okay. And then we can also what do you call this? Interchange the rows and columns. If you want to view it by year by manufacturer. And if you just wanted to see, for example, one manufacturer, you can put manufacturer in filters from here. You will just select all the listed manufacturers, then click OK or apply. Okay. And then from this, just click filters, right click, and then click show filter. So there. So if you wanted to track the quantity per manufacturer, you can just click, for example, from Apple and from 3M, from Brother, Canon. So it will just show the manufacturer that you've filtered. And we can also filter the year that you just want to see also. So to do that, just drag the order date to filters also. And then you can click years or just click next. And then it will show all the range of dates that your raw data has. So from the order date, you can click again and then show filter. So from here, for example, you just wanted to see from range of from 2023 here. So it will just show your orders from 2023. And you can also make it more visually appealing by clicking some graphs and charts here. Like this. As you can see, there are a lot of colors provided. So the colors represents the product name itself. So for 2023, for the 3M manufacturer, we can see that there is high quantity coming from 3M for the product 3M organizer strips. Also for the users, for your preferred users, they can actually navigate from here and it will show the data that they wanted to see. And then as you can see from here, we can see product name, manufacturer, year of order date, and then quantity. So you can customize it by clicking this one from marks, by clicking tooltip. Okay, so we just have one question here. Paano po magpa-process ng Tableau ang PDF file? Actually, sorry, hindi ko pa na-try yung PDF file mismo. So I just tried using the cloud database by connecting it to the SQL and then Microsoft Excel. But maybe we can try that one in the future by on how Tableau will use the PDF file. Or if you have downloaded the free version, you can actually navigate it. I will just show you on how to connect your Tableau to a data source. So you can also click File and then Open. And then just search for the PDF file that you wanted to use. And just click Open. And then it will already automatically connect with your data source. Also from here, just click Data Source, click Data, and then you can add a new data source from here. Ito din pala yung na-miss ko kanina to discuss. So, I'm using a Microsoft Excel file. And upon connecting to the data, it will show you the raw data that you have here. And then you can add more sheets on to create different types of graphs. So for those who have downloaded, you can practice by using the sample superstore data, which is already in store with Tableau. So actually this is just an introduction. That's why I think I cannot go farther to actually creating a dashboard, but I will just give an overview. So as you can see here, we have three icons. So this one is for the new worksheet. So this is the one that I'm using, like when I am creating charts. And then for this one, this is to create the dashboard already. So for example, I just wanted to show every worksheet that I worked on. So I can just add it here. I can combine and then just add here. and just add this one. So it's the overview is just like that, so that you can easily create dashboards from the worksheets po that you've worked on. Okay, so I will just read another question. Meron po bang data set po na sample na pwedeng pagpraktisan? So hello, Thomas Vincent. Once you open the Tableau, you can see the sample file that the Tableau has provided. I will try to close this one and so that I can show you. Or let's just connect to that file. So from data source, just click the Tableau logo from here, almost uppermost left. And then they have a saved data sources here. Sample Superstore, which is I am using, and then world indicators. So you can practice with that data and create charts and graphs by using that data. Okay, thank you. So actually, there are a lot more that you can explore. Hopefully, you are able to install because they are providing the, as I mentioned, the 14-day trial version. So you can try. For currently, if we have attendees which are still students, you can also use this one on your research papers, on your thesis, because it's easy to navigate and use. Okay, I will just move on to my presentation. Okay. So earlier I've mentioned regarding the other use cases of Tableau. So for those who are working in a sales or in marketing firm, you can create dashboard for sales and revenue analysis. For example, this is your sales representatives. You can monitor their sales by creating dashboards for sales. And then also for the top management or executives, you can create a KPI dashboard. So it will be easy for your management to monitor each KPIs. And same with on the accounting firms or on the finance and accounting, we can create a dashboard, financial dashboard, so that you can monitor the revenues, the losses, and also cost of sales and other profits. All right. Then for the next one, so for the benefits of Tableau, so it will help you on a faster decision making. So you don't have to always create from scratch. For example, in Microsoft Excel, they will give you the data, and then you will create another tables, graphs. So from this, if it's connected real time, you can easily make your decision or your analysis. Next, it offers visual storytelling. So as I've mentioned earlier, what do you call this? The dashboard that you will create is for your preferred users, so you can make it interactive so that they are able to drill down data based on what they wanted to see or what they needed. to help them on their decision making or on their analysis. And then it will help us improve our data understanding, empowered self-service analytics. Yeah, I think that's the last one. So it will really help everyone on your company to easily understand data by having or by providing powerful visualization. So it is really a big help for a data-driven company to have an effective decisions by having efficient or good analysis on the data that we have. So I think that's all. For the additional sources, I will just share. So we have tableau.com, and then Tableau Cloud, Customer Portal, Tableau Public, Tableau Community. So I'm encouraging you guys to go to the Tableau community, since any question that you have, most probably it is being answered already on the Tableau community, and wherein they are also providing an actual Tableau file so you can explore, and by that it will answer your questions in using or exploring Tableau. And then just click the link here so that you can install, for those who aren't able to install yet, the free 14-day trial version. And then here is the link for the Tableau community, community.tableau.com. I think that's the end of my presentation. Sorry for the earlier technical difficulties that we've encountered. Yeah, so I'll give the floor to Miss Melanie for our next for the next part. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, Engineer Debbie. So even we had a little difficulty, technical difficulty earlier, it's still worth it to spend our time for this topic. And also, thank you so much, Engineer Debbie, for that informative and detailed presentation. So let me just share it in my screen. All right. So, ayan guys, did you enjoy our topic right now? So again, at our Q&A part for Alpha TV is officially here now, so you can make the most out of it. Just type in the chat box if you have any question, or just raise your hand if you want to speak. So do you still have questions, guys? We're giving you like 2 minutes to think.
Malaki ang pinagbago ng braso ko kay Priya. Ito naman bukas.
And I think meron pong nasa on.
Minsan napapas.
If you have questions po, just feel free to ask. Baka meron akong medyo mabilis na na-discuss.
I think our audience right now is a bit shy. So if you have any question, or if you're just shy right now, Ma'am Debbie, may we know where we can connect or contact you if ever magkaroon po ng question, or mag-reach out to you?
You can just chat me, for example, in Messenger. My Facebook account is Devi Vegiga also. So we can connect there. Here. There's one question, I think. Mas better po ba ang Tableau kaysa sa Microsoft Excel? Lalo na in demand ang ME as an IE. ME means Microsoft Excel, right? For me, they have somehow they have different functions, but for data visualization, it's better to use Tableau. It's more advanced. You will just drag and drop the data, upload the raw data, and then it will, once you've created initially the dashboard, it will, on your next raw data uploading, or if you connect it to your data, it will automatically change. Because in Excel, right, as I practiced also Microsoft Excel, we can upload another data, but we have to manually connect it again to that data. But for Tableau, since it is, as I've mentioned, we can have real-time data analysis po using Tableau, because you can connect it also with your cloud databases, SQL, and other data sources on which we cannot do it po on Microsoft Excel. Yun. Nasagot ba yung tanong mo po?
All right, thank you so much, Ma'am Debbie, for that question. So we have another here from Gio Francis Afalbe. Did I mention it right? So how does Tableau desktop differ to Power BI in the data presentation?
I'm sorry. I'm just able to discuss regarding the introduction to Tableau. I was not able to use yet Power BI. But based on my research, it's the same business intelligence software and data visualization tool also. I cannot say it's more advanced because I haven't used Power BI yet. But you can explore also Tableau. I can assure you that it can offer better visualizations also. Yeah. Thank you po, Sir Arnel.
Thank you so much, Sir Gio. So from Sir Arnel, thank you, ma'am, for this presentation. Very clear and informative indeed.
Thank
So
you
guys,
po.
do we still have a question there? All right. I think there's any question right now for our participant.
Thank you.
Again, and guys, our evaluation form pala will be posted in the comment section later. And don't forget to fill out the evaluation form because it will serve as your slot for your e-certificate. Again, in receiving your e-certificate, it will take around 1 to 2 weeks. So just wait for it, guys. So again, the link or the evaluation link will be automatically closed 30 minutes after this event's presentation. All right. I think this is the perfect time to say thanks to our very own Engineer Devi V. Gega for tonight. So just chat it on the chat box below. And after that, may I request everyone to please open their cameras for a quick photo op. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. So can you just turn on your camera right now, guys? Ayan, naka-allow naman. Actually, Sir Lex is requesting for this photo opportunity to check the attendance din. So, ayan. All right, so let me just stop this presentation then. All right, so ayan. First page. Smile lang, guys. 1, 2, 3, smile. All right. And then, next slide. Meron po tayong kids slide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Last one. 1, 2, 3. So, mga naka-off cam naman. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. So, ayan. Let me just share my screen again. All right. And again, thank you so much, Ma'am Devi. Before we let go, do you have or do you still have any parting message to everyone here?
Again po, again.
Do you still have parting message for everyone here?
Ayan. Thank you to all the attendees on this webinar. So I hope you've learned a lot or even a little from my presentation. So you can just message me if you have questions regarding Tableau, and I will try to answer it as much as possible. Yan. Thank you po, and thank you for the opportunity as Lex PH Academy. Thank you po.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Engineer Devi. We really appreciate your time and effort for tonight. So our team will be contacting you for the token of appreciation. So once again, on behalf of the entire Alpha family, thank you so much, Engineer Devi, for tonight. So, all right. Again, today's episode is made possible with the help of our supportive and generous partners, IXL, Grace Apparel, or Blessed, to us, the first Filipino cloud-based analytics platform, Startup Podcast PH, inhimiero.org. So let me just promote some online courses that we have. So by the way, you can follow us on all our social media accounts at ASLEXPH Academy or visit our website at www.aslexph.com. And here, our online courses. Of course, Yellow Belt. This is the entry level of Lean Six Sigma practice. So basic diagnostic and quality tools and techniques are taught in this program. So you may join the next run on August 26 and 27. So the enrollment is currently accepting right now. And we also have our self-paced. By the way, this run is only 5,000 for professionals and 3,000 for students. Sorry. So Yellow Belt has self-paced version. So you can finish that anytime, anywhere for only 2,990. And then, of course, the project management fundamental certification. So this is only for 2,490. So you may join the next run on, that's not updated. So it's August 26 as well. So the Green Belt. So the role of Green Belt is highly focused in problem solving, process analysis, and project management. So you may join the next run on, okay, you just, we had a little alterations with the schedule of Green Belt. So just keep updated on our page for the updated, for the new schedule for Green Belt. So here is a self-paced version for only 14,990. And then the Black Belt, of course, it's only for 75,000 pesos. So Black Belts have thorough understanding of all aspects of the MAIC. And then next. the Kaizen Professional or Alpha CTV for only 5,000, and Data Engineer online certification for only 25,000 pesos. And of course, let me promote the newest event of ASLEX, which is BINHI, Building Innovative Networks and Honing Individuals. This is intended for students, young professionals, and also fresh graduates as well. So for the morning session, we will have a career fair. So as of the moment, we have at least 9 companies to share their insights and, of course, some job positions. So, and on the afternoon session, we will have, of course, the career talk. So here is our speakers. They are the top 30 LinkedIn leaders. Of course, Dr. Ray Fermista, Ruby Chaushan, Darwin Rivers, Rock Leo, and Annalisa Laksaman. And of course, we have Aklat. So here is Sir Felix to share to us what is Aklat. Can you hear it, guys?
Wala po atang audio, miss.
Okay, so Aklat is basically a package of self-paced program. So you can purchase that for only 37,000, I think. But the total worth of all the package is more than hundreds. So we will open the we'll open for getting your slot here this month of August. So just keep updated on our all social media pages. Okay, sir, hindi ka marinig. So this is the selfie certification program. So you may just screenshot it if you want. And of course, we have this promo. This is you pay for only 4 packs and join for a group of 5. So you may use that in all the courses that we offer. So if you still interested to be partner or ambassador of ASLEX PH Academy, and if you support the cause of promoting lifelong learning, so this is perfect for you. Of course, visit aslexph.com/courses for all the courses we offer. And you may also join ASLEX PH Academy Alumni Network Facebook page. All right, we're here. So yeah, you may just scan the QR code for the evaluation form, and let me just paste it here on the comment section. Again, so magko-close po ang ating evaluation form after 30 minutes of tonight's session. All right, so let me just paste it also on YouTube. Sorry, I can paste it on YouTube, so kindly kindly scan the QR code for our team YouTube. All right, I hope you can access the evaluation right now. So that would be all for this event, everyone. We hate to say goodbye, but in every beginning, there is always an end. But don't be sad, everyone. We just hope to see you again next Friday, same time, 7 p.m. for another exciting episode of Alpha TV session and free webinar like this. Once again, this is Alpha TV making you #significantly better. Stay safe, everyone, and good night. Hi, Michael. So, wait lang, let me just stop the live stream.